You ever bump start a mojo before? Got the decoys over there. We got them kind of like in a straight line that's like staggered a little bit. Then we got 2 right here. And then we got a little J going on over there. And the old mojo that we have to bump start sometimes. She's an old one, but she's a good one. Isn't that right? Gotta get a name for her. Maybe, well, I guess it's a him, but Jeffrey? No. Mallard. Bartholomew. Bartholomew, the King Mallard. Yeah. So did I. It looks like it has a black head. Might be a coot. It's a coot. Yeah, who cares? Where's Buddy's wing? Well, coots are back there. Got 4 of them. Spread's looking good. Oh, if it can focus on it. Oh yeah, spread's looking good. Went with 12 decoys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, 12 decoys. There should be a 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, 13 decoys and a mojo. This time, not the biggest spread, but a little small spread action. All right, so we're gonna clean these up. This guy doesn't have a beak because I shot it off. Don't get a close up. But yeah, Zeus, get away. Get back. That's what I thought. And then after this, I think we're gonna shoot some bows down at that target center down range. Might put the deer target up just for poops and laughs, but tell them what we did. Well, just a little bit ago, we
cleaned them. All of them, for sure. Definitely not 2. And then discarded the rest. Definitely not. And now we looked up a recipe and we have these little guys in here, and we have
chicken bouillon, thyme,
rosemary, bay leaf. Do we have anything else? I think that's it, right?
Yeah.
And now we're gonna put them in the oven.
No, I'll be fine. Nah, we're good. It doesn't smell good.
It smells raw.
No, it doesn't. It's not raw.
No, it smells like it.
It's like still pink, so don't think it
smells like metal.
Ready?
What does that taste like?
It's just really gamey.
Yeah.
Like, it tastes like blood.
Don't say that.
No, like you ever had like a really pink steak?
Yeah.
It's exactly what it tastes like.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna finish it,
Neither.
but it's edible. Like if I was trying to, all right, dude, it's not that bad. You're being a baby right now.
No, like a pizza that got stuck in my throat.
It's probably the BB.
Zeus wants to try a bite.
That's right.
I bet he does. Here's his. Ready, buddy? Bro, just almost inhaled my finger. It came to here.
Braid it.
How was it?
Yeah, you want Julie.
Here, Julie. Now let's get back to you. Come here, buddy.
See, Julie's nice.
Yeah, hey, get back. Let her have it. Let her have it. Here, Zeus, lick the cream of mushroom off my finger. There you go. Yeah, get you some Coot, buddy. So, the conscientious agreement is that this makes perfect dog food. Human food, it's all right. It wasn't that bad. Wasn't as bad as it smells, for sure.
I think you're right when you say like a really pink steak. Yeah.
Like, it just tastes like a really bloody steak.
Yeah.
Like, bloody steak.
Even though it's cooked all the way.
Yeah. It's just weird.
Which,
Doesn't, like, make a lot of sense, honestly.
yeah. But, hey.
Well, they like it.
Oh, yeah.
just give them the whole plate.